Imagine if two animals come together to become a one different animal, how amazing it would be. So, let's see.
Cobra and rhino. Horse and shark. Gorilla, shark, dinosaur. Dinosaur, scorpion. Fox and penguin. Pig and camel. Millipede and scorpion. Rhino and ostrich. Dinosaur and fighter jet. Frog and bull. Electric eel and cheetah. Hen and cheetah. Black panther and dinosaur. Ant and tiger. Elephant and shark. Hen and panther. Duck and cat. Rabbit and gorilla. Lion and parrot. Monkey, fish and bee. Fox and tiger fish. Camel and scorpion. Lion and leopard. Hen and crocodile. Cow and fox. Owl and leopard. Snake and panda. Kangaroo and zebra.